In 2025, Chevrolet introduces a modern twist on an iconic nameplate, the Chevrolet Bel Air. While the name might evoke nostalgia, the new Bel Air offers a fresh vision for a classic American car. It's a vehicle that blends historical significance with cutting-edge technology, promising a driving experience that's both familiar and new. The Bel Air's reimagining is part of a larger trend in the automotive world, where manufacturers are looking to revive the spirit of old classics while embracing contemporary innovations. For Chevrolet, the 2025 Bel Air becomes more than just a tribute to the past, it's an embodiment of their vision for the future of motoring. In this script, we will explore the journey behind the Bel Air's return, focusing on its cultural impact, the design philosophy that shaped it, and its place within the broader landscape of modern automobiles. When Chevrolet first introduced the Bel Air back in the 1950s, it became synonymous with American car culture. The original model was a symbol of post-war optimism, with bold styling and a sense of luxury that appealed to the masses. Over the years, the Bel Air has gone through numerous transformations, but the 2025 model marks a return to its roots in a way that feels both nostalgic and forward-thinking. What Chevrolet has done with this new model is take all of the elements that made the original Bel Air so beloved and reinterpret them with a futuristic edge. For the modern Chevrolet Bel Air, one of the most significant shifts has been in the way the brand has approached performance and driving dynamics. The world of motoring has changed dramatically since the heyday of the Bel Air, and while that classic V8 rumble still has a place in the hearts of enthusiasts, the new model is about much more than just raw power. The 2025 Bel Air redefines what it means to drive with a smooth, responsive feel that's enhanced by the latest technology. This includes everything from adaptive suspension systems to smart drive modes that automatically adjust performance parameters based on road conditions and driver inputs. It's a car that intuitively understands how to deliver a refined and enjoyable ride. At the core of the Bel Air's reimagining is a commitment to sustainability and efficiency. Chevrolet has leaned into hybrid and fully electric powertrains for this new generation of the Bel Air, offering an option for every type of driver. Those who want the classic American muscle car experience can still find performance in the form of electrified powertrains that combine the power of electric motors with the refinement of a gasoline engine. Meanwhile, for drivers looking to embrace a fully eco-conscious future, a fully electric model is available, providing all the torque and instantaneous power that's become synonymous with electric vehicles. The shift toward electric mobility doesn't mean sacrificing the character of the car. Instead, it amplifies it, with a seamless driving experience that feels both powerful and silent at the same time. Another area where the 2025 Bel Air shines is in the integration of advanced technology. This is not just a nod to the future, it's a significant leap forward in terms of how drivers interact with their vehicles. The Bel Air features a suite of smart connectivity features, from enhanced infotainment systems to AI-driven personal assistants. These systems aren't just designed for convenience, they're built to make every journey safer, more efficient, and more enjoyable. Imagine a car that knows your driving habits, understands your preferences, and adjusts everything from seat position to climate control to suit your needs before you even get in. It's not just about luxury, it's about creating an intuitive experience that makes the car feel like an extension of yourself. The 2025 Bel Air also reflects a shift in how automakers are thinking about mobility in a connected world. Chevrolet's vision for the Bel Air includes integration with smart city infrastructure, allowing the car to communicate with its environment and respond to real-time data. Whether it's adapting to traffic conditions, adjusting to road closures, or even optimizing fuel consumption based on route planning, the Bel Air is equipped to handle the complexities of modern driving. This connection to the broader ecosystem of vehicles and infrastructure means that the Bel Air isn't just a mode of transportation, it's part of a larger conversation about the future of mobility. Chevrolet has taken great care in reinterpreting the Bel Air's aesthetics for the 21st century. While the overall silhouette remains unmistakably familiar, the car features sleeker lines, more aggressive angles, and a refined design language that's at once bold and elegant. The new Bel Air takes the essence of its predecessor, the signature tail fins, The chrome accents the bold grille and updates them with a modern sensibility. The result is a car that feels both retro and futuristic at the same time, a true fusion of the old and the new. From the front, the 2025 Bel Air is immediately striking, embodying the perfect balance between vintage charm and contemporary sophistication. The front fascia showcases a wide, imposing grille, but it's far more sculpted and angular than its classic counterpart. This grille is flanked by sleek LED headlights that evoke the classic round designs of the original Bel Air but with a much sharper, high-tech execution. The headlights themselves are signature elements, with an intricate pattern that mimics the original Bel Air's chrome trim, lending a sense of continuity while integrating seamlessly with the car's more modern shape. Beneath the grille, there's a wide, aggressive air intake that emphasizes the vehicle's performance-oriented character, hinting at the Bel Air's ability to pack a punch, no matter which powertrain you opt for. Moving along the sides, the Bel Air retains some of its most iconic elements, like the pronounced chrome accents and the sculpted body lines that make the car look as if it's constantly in motion, even when parked. One of the most notable features here is the car's interpretation of the famous tail fins that defined the Bel Air in the 1950s. While these fins have been toned down to offer a more subtle and streamlined look, they remain a nod to the original design. The rear quarter panels are beautifully sculpted, and the chrome trim that runs the length of the car's side is both striking and functional, giving the vehicle a sense of length and presence on the road. The rear wheels are housed in sculpted wheel arches that enhance the Bel Air's athletic stance, making it clear this is a car built to perform. The rear view of the 2025 Bel Air is perhaps its most dramatic angle. While the front of the car offers a nod to its heritage, the rear is unmistakably modern, showcasing both a sense of performance and a flair for futuristic design. The tail section features an intricate arrangement of LED taillights that subtly mimic the original Bel Air's tail fin design. These lights are narrow and angular, wrapping around the corners of the vehicle for a more dynamic, three-dimensional effect. The rear bumper, while retaining some classic cues, has been redesigned to be more integrated with the body, giving the car a clean, contemporary look. The rear window has been lowered slightly for a more aggressive profile, and the rear deck lid features a smooth, uninterrupted surface that further emphasizes the car's sleek, aerodynamic design. Another key feature of the 2025 Bel Air's exterior design is its attention to detail. The chrome trim that accents the car's front grille, windows, and rear bumper is elegantly integrated, offering a luxurious touch without feeling overdone. The body panels themselves are sculpted to perfection, with flowing lines that accentuate the car's muscular, yet graceful stance. These lines aren't just for show, they help channel airflow, improving both aerodynamics and fuel efficiency. The Bel Air's exterior design is a testament to the marriage of form and function, where every curve and line is purposeful, contributing to both the car's aesthetics and its overall performance. One of the standout features of the 2025 Bel Air is its emphasis on personalization. This is a car that allows you to make it your own, from color options to performance tweaks. Chevrolet offers a wide range of customization options, allowing buyers to choose from an array of exterior colors, wheel designs, and performance packages. Whether you want something that stands out on the road or prefer a more understated, refined look, there's a Bel Air that will suit your style. And for those who want to go even further, Chevrolet's bespoke customization program gives you the opportunity to work with designers to create a one-of-a-kind vehicle that reflects your personal taste. The Bel Air isn't just about looks and performance, it's also about practicality. Chevrolet has designed the car to meet the demands of modern life while maintaining the charm and elegance that defined the original model. The 2025 Bel Air offers ample storage, advanced driver assistance systems, and an array of tech features that make everyday driving more convenient. Whether you're navigating a busy city street or embarking on a cross-country road trip, the Bel Air is designed to keep you comfortable and connected every step of the way. As much as the Bel Air is a car, it's also a cultural symbol, a piece of history that's been brought back to life with an eye toward the future. The Bel Air's legacy as a symbol of American automotive innovation and style is something Chevrolet takes seriously. The 2025 model is not just a re-release of an old classic, it's a reinvention of what that classic can be in the modern world. And in doing so, Chevrolet has created a car that appeals not just to car enthusiasts and collectors but to a new generation of drivers who may not have grown up with the Bel Air but are ready to embrace its spirit in a whole new way. Looking ahead, the 2025 Chevrolet Bel Air is not just a car for today, it's a car that's designed to stand the test of time. Its blend of cutting-edge technology, sustainable performance, and timeless design means that it will continue to capture the imagination of drivers for years to come. Whether you're drawn to it for its heritage, its performance, or its future-facing technologies, the Bel Air promises to offer an experience that's as thrilling as it is meaningful. In the automotive world, the return of a nameplate like the Bel Air is a significant event. It's a reminder that great cars never truly go out of style, they evolve, they adapt, and they continue to captivate us with their charm. The 2025 Chevrolet Bel Air is proof that even the most iconic vehicles can have a place in the future, and it's a car that's sure to make its mark on the road for years to come. Whether you're a fan of classic American cars or simply someone who appreciates innovative design and technology, the Bel Air is a car worth watching closely as it paves the way for the next generation of automotive excellence.